Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I'm going to do another waterfall pour. I have too much paint. I have probably close to 14 ounces. It takes 12 for a 16 by 20, but I want to have extra. So we're going to see how this goes. I have a lot of white in it, but I wanted to kind of pale out those colors a little bit. And we're going to see what happens. As you can tell, I have a lot of layers. So I think I'm going to try pouring from up here. See what happens. I'll give you my colors in a few minutes. I'm going to quit because I'm losing it off that end down there. So much. Fix that corner. Let's see what happens now. I had too much white in it for what I was going for, but I'll tell you in a few minutes what it was I was going for. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty, but it's not going to be what I was going for. Okay, not at all. Oh, phooey. Still have some paint on here, so I'm going to tilt it back this way, I think. Try to get some more of that blue back down into the painting. Maybe get some of this green off. I have a purplish look in here, and I didn't put any purple in this one. It must be where that I lightened up the cobalt and it threw a purple shade to it with mixed in with the white. In this video, I will insert a picture of what I was going for and a painting that I did on top of it so that you can see where I was going with this. And I have had a friend request that I try to do another one. And I think she wants me to do her the same kind of painting or to do a companion to the one that I gifted to her son at Christmas. The colors are a green that I mixed up, and it should have been more of a teal, but it ended up a little bit green because I didn't have enough blue in it. White, of course, and cobalt blue that I lightened. Those are the colors. This still might work, but not exactly what I wanted it for. But I'm still going to get some of that paint off of there, because it's got too much anyway. My little push pins are not holding the canvas up off the paint, off the top of the table, the way my cup hooks do, but it's hard to get those into these canvases because they're not as thick. The stretcher strips are not as thick, and it's, for some reason, I'm just having trouble getting those in there, but I don't mind that this is angled like that. That's not bad at all. It's kind of actually what I wanted to begin with. I just got too much going on here. I layered too much. I should not have made so many layers. So, there it is. And this up here faded out and stretched out, but that's all right. I really don't mind that too much either. So, once again, did not get what I was going for. I might try to stretch it back down a little bit, but I won't do that on camera because it takes so long for the paint to shift when it's this thin. I don't have very much left on there. But you can see from the picture that I insert that I didn't get that squiggle that I wanted to make it look like a trail through the water, like fins or whatever. So, you know, like the fins of the fish left a trail. So I will see how this turns out and what I decide to do with it. I may keep it, I may not keep it, I may end up scraping it. I really am undecided at this point. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Saturday. It's actually halfway warm here in Tennessee today, and no rain. So I've got sunshine coming in the window. So thank you so much for watching, and I invite you to come back and watch again. And thanks to my subscribers, those of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So thank you, and have a great day. Have some fun. Okay, so here's a close-up. Hopefully I won't get too much shadow and reflection on it, but it does show movement. Up there looks kind of weird. That almost looks like a sky, looking from the bottom up at the sky. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Just don't know. I mean, it's not horrible ugly, so I really hate to scrape it off, but I don't know what I want to do with it either. But it does have cells, you know, in a few places and stuff, so I guess I'll decide later. Thanks for watching.